Hi, welcome to Lesson 2 of the video course Dutch Pronunciation for Beginners, Vowel Letters. I'm your teacher, Dr. William Guo. This lesson is about the Dutch alphabet. Like English, the Dutch alphabet also has 26 letters. Although the letters look the same as in English, most of them are pronounced differently in Dutch. In this lesson, I'll show you how each letter is pronounced in Dutch. When I refer to a letter in the Dutch alphabet in the following lessons, I'll use the Dutch pronunciation of the letter. Now let's learn the pronunciation of the letters one by one. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 26 letters can be divided into two groups, vowel letters and consonant letters. There are 5 vowel letters in the Dutch alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. The other 21 letters are consonant letters. In this video course, we'll learn the main pronunciation and spelling rules of the 5 vowel letters, as well as some common letter combinations involving these vowel letters. You can learn the pronunciation rules of the Dutch consonant letters from chapters 9 to 17 of my book Dutch Pronunciation and Spelling for Beginners. There's a link in the description below via which you can order this book on Amazon. As mentioned in the previous lesson, I've made another video course that explains the pronunciation rules of the Dutch consonant letters, which is available on Skillshare. There's a link in the description below for this video course. By using this link, you'll get a free trial membership. So please feel free to check it out if you are interested. Well, that's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.